Is there a difference between continue and pass in a for loop in Python? Is there any significant difference between the two Python keywords continue and pass like in the examples? And I should be aware of?
Yes, they do completely different things. Pass simply does nothing, while continue goes on with the next loop iteration. In your example, the difference would become apparent if you added another statement after the if. After executing pass, this further statement would be executed. After continue, it wouldn't.
Yes, there is a difference. Continue forces the loop to start at the next iteration, while pass means there is no code to execute here and will continue through the remainder of the loop body. Run these and see the difference.
Continue will jump back to the top of the loop. Pass will continue processing. If pass is at the end for the loop, the difference is negligible as the flow would just back to the top of the loop anyway.
Difference between pass and continue in a for loop. So why pass in Python? If you want to create an empty class, method or block. Examples. Without pass in the above examples will throw indentation error.
Please listen to